Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make portrait text effect in Photoshop. First, we go to the image menu, adjustment to desaturate. Go to the filter menu, click on the blur to gaussian blur, radius 3. Then go to the file menu, click on the save as and save this file. Press Ctrl Z, undo. Select the text tool from the toolbar and place the text around the photo. Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste. Then go to the filter menu, choose Convert Smart Object. Then go to the filter menu, click on the Distort to Displace. Background layer copy. Then go to the layer menu, click on the Created Clipping Mask. Now we make portrait text effect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.